So I am back again with this beautiful video of a lovely metallic dress. It's a very simple way of illustrating. Uh, you must have seen one of my videos where I have already done a leather pants. So technically the method is exactly the same. Now this is a metallic dress, so the shine is going to be slightly more. And the fabric what I have seen in this photograph is a slightly softer. It's more like a latex. So starting first with the skin, and this basically is a dress which was designed by Alexander Macqueen 1997, if I'm not mistaken. That was the year he was appointed as a head designer for Givenchy. And yeah, that's a beautiful dress. I remember it was start of my career, 1997, 95, 96, that's it. And that was a time when internet was not so was so in. So to us to get information was very difficult, and to get the latest information, wow. But I remember this dress, and I had loved it, and I was just surfing and I saw again, Naomi Campbell in this beautiful dress, and I had to illustrate it. So that's it. That's it. I'm making this beautiful Alexander McQueen dress. So starting first with, again, I'll break it into very simple steps. First, give the crease line, identify which are the darker points, which are the lighter points. What I've done over here is I've given yellow color, which is going to be my golden yellow thingy, and I've identified those lines, and then I'm just adding a darker tone. Because it is metallic, the shine is very strong, so my lines are very acute. It's not blending kind, and there's drastic change in the color. So it's very simple. Most important point is to identify your crease line. Now, as I said earlier also, crease line changes according to the fabric. So if you've seen one of my videos where I've done this black leather pants, the crease lines were very less, right? But this is a drape dress. This is slightly softer leather, so the crease lines are more. So identify the crease line, understand which part is darker, which part is lighter, and start illustrating. Now here I've used regular staedtler color. I've used 4, at the most 5 shades of it, starting first with yellow. I've taken brown, I've taken black, and this greenish tone, uh, dark green tone, which, yeah, this color which I've taken. So again, because it's metallic, so they are going to be very heavy contrast. I'm adding the darker tones, blending it slightly, giving that green. See this green color what I'm using, that's giving me a lovely metallic tinge to it. So I've not used a golden color, I've used yellow only. So of course, I can use a metallic color pencils, or I can use metallic sketch pens, or I can use metallic uh, colors paints, but I wanted to show it to you using this regular staedtler pencil. So it's doable, even if you don't have best of the colors or best of the variety of thing, you can get the similar effect. Now again, you can see what I'm doing is identified my darker tones, identified my lighter tones. I've done it with a pencil. So before I start coloring, I'll erase those lines, but I'm identifying my darker tones and my lighter tones. So it's very simple. So that's about it. Now I want you all to subscribe to my channel. Sorry. Yeah, so I'll be keeping on, I'll be uploading many more videos. Subscribe to my channel, and please, please send me, write some comments so that I know what you all are liking about my video. And if you have any queries, if you have any questions, please feel free to message me, or you can get in touch with me on Insta. I'm there on Insta. So any problems you have, please feel free. And you can always drop in comment about to what next video you want me to make, uh, any particular fabric you want to do. Of course, I have already chalked out list of things which I'm supposed to do, like I was thinking of doing one fur, and I was thinking of doing this lots of embroidery and sequence work and all that, which I'll do it eventually. There are many videos I was thinking of making, uh, like how to design clothes, and what are the principles and elements of design. So yeah, my list is already set, and I'm going to I promise to make all these videos regularly. But please subscribe to my channel, and talk to me, send your comments now. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I made it simple. Identify your light lines, that is your shiny points. Identify your darker tones, and that's it. Yellow and black, the two major colors, and in between you have to just blend it. The catch over here is understanding where the crease line goes. So once you get a hang of understanding how a crease line falls, then I think it's a easy job. So yes, it's done. So I'm giving an outline using a regular sketch pen to just outline it. I've given her a darker skin, which I want. It's become a bit patchy,